Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel. And if you have or are on the habit of sideloading apps on your Android devices. So sideloading, for those that don't know what it is the ability to simply go outside of the Google Play Store and get apps and download them from the internet. And what you get is a package called an APK, which is actually capable of running and installing an app without ever going into the Google Play Store itself to do it. And there are many reasons why people can do that. It could be, in my case, if I do it, it's because I have a tablet that it's an Android tablet, but it's a Fire tablet from Amazon. So it has these quirks that even though I have the Google Play Store, there are apps that don't show up that I have to sideload to get. In some cases, it's because some want to have, cracks for games or have illegal game downloads and stuff like that. Well, Bitdefender has been releasing a report this week stating that the dangers of sideload is increasing all the time, and that they have, just looking at some of the most popular websites, numbered more than 60,000 apps that actually are malware and that are even almost impossible to notice once you install them on the device. So this actually shows you the dangers of sideloading and how you really need to be careful. They were saying that most of these apps, even if you have or have installed an antivirus, and this reaches where exactly what I always say, they're not detected. So even if you have an antivirus, even if you've installed antivirus to scan your devices, these apps will pass as clean and correct. And still, they are problematic. They either steal your data, some of them are adware driven, meaning that you pop up ads and stuff like that. And many of them are draining your battery at an extremely fast pace because they're running in the background continuously. So be careful if you do sideload. And Bitdefender says 2 signs: check your data. How much data are you actually using? Is it higher than normal even though you're not using your phone or tablet? And the other thing is your device hot to the touch, or is your battery life really, really shrunk suddenly? These are sure signs that malware is in your device. So sideloading, bad idea, and keep to the Google Play Store. That's the place where you're actually going to get apps that are, for the most part, safe, even though sometimes they do goof up a little bit. For the most part, it's safe. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.